Welcome back to Rody Rides. Today we're headed to Patricia, Alberta. We've got about 400 kilometers to make, so let's go. So here's the camp setup. Pretty modest, not a lot of space, but got my air mattress, sleeping bag, pillow, helmet and stuff. Put all my clothes and toiletries in Ziploc bags because I knew I'd probably be riding through rain. Got a power bank so I can charge my phone and my Insta360 and my Cardo and stuff like that. And that's about it. A little light there so I can find myself in the dark. Don't want to walk into someone else's tent. And that's pretty much it. I'll do a more in-depth rundown of everything one of these days when I can set up in the daylight instead of setting up in the dark. But time to join the rest of the group now. So day one of Bailey's ride is officially coming to an end. Tomorrow's when things get really started. That's when the poker rally happens, and then the bike games after that, and the band and silent auction and stuff. So the first night's more come and get set up and meet everyone, and tomorrow's when we get going. Right now, it is time for bed. Good night. Well, good morning. It's about 6 a.m., 8 degrees. It's about 46 Fahrenheit. And I'm nice and warm in my sleeping bag, but I have to go to the bathroom, which means to get dressed. And I think I might go for breakfast. I really don't want to get out of the sleeping bag though, but guess I have to. So I'm walking to breakfast, and part of the reason why I wanted to leave last night is so I didn't have to get up really early this morning to be here for 10:30. It's about a 4-hour trip. I thought leave last night and then sleep in a bit today, otherwise I'd have to get up at 6 a.m. And I got up at 6 a.m. anyways, so guy can't catch a break. And then last night when the breakfast people said we start serving breakfast at 6:30, we were all like, well, who gets up at 6:30 for breakfast? Me. I get up at 6:30 for breakfast, apparently. So, but it's a nice day today. The birds are chirping and the cows are mooing. I almost said meowing. I hope the cows aren't meowing. Well, here's a fun little fact about Patricia. Back in the 1970s, a local rancher actually gifted a piece of land here to then Prime Minister Pierre Trudeau as a joke. The joke got a little out of hand though when it turned into a legal dispute over about $3 in unpaid property taxes.
Oh, because well, we were both working in Ontario one time, and I come home one day, sat in the tail.
Take mine out to read my phone. No.
Before we get too far into the poker run, I should explain what Bailey's Ride is all about. This was my third year attending. The event raises money for the Alberta Children's Hospital, and every year riders come together for a weekend of camping, live music, bike games, and of course the poker run, all in support of a great cause. Okay, here we go.
Thank you.
2 hearts isn't bad.
What? so. Now you need to get some fives.
Thank you. All right, here we go.
There we go.
She's got 2 pairs of jacks.
Oh, king, I got a king on this one.
Yeah, but the state's got to be 5.
I'm paying attention now.
You gotta have five.
It's a run, but it's not. You got to have 5.
All right. Yes. This is better because it's all
Yeah.
suit.
A little mushy.
So you do have a 7 heart.
bike games. This is the slow race. I've tried this before, and at these speeds it's less about riding and more about balance. You're constantly working the clutch, throttle, and rear brake trying to keep the bike upright. It's a lot harder than these guys are making it look. Bailey's ride wrapped up for another year, it was time to head home. But there was one more stop I wanted to make. Well, after crossing 9 bridges, I arrived in Wayne, Alberta, home of the historic Rose Deer Hotel built in 1913 during the region's coal mining days. Today, fewer than 30 people live there.
Here on the ground, cold and drunk as I might be. Can't jump a jet plane.
Well, I was told it was a crime not to get something smoked, so I went with the brisket sandwich. The funny thing, the farmer who raised the beef was sitting at a few tables over. Doesn't get much more local than that. They also had live music, which I thought was great. Now, time to hit the road back home. Well, I ended up taking a wrong turn and ended up on a gravel road and thought what I spotted was a horse. Nope, that's a moose. Well, I think that's where we'll leave this adventure. We made it to Patricia, camped out at Bailey's Ride, did the poker run, watched the bike games, explored the Badlands, even crossed 9 bridges into Wayne and had some incredible food, and even spotted a moose on the way home. If you enjoyed coming along for the ride, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle adventures. Until next time, you know where to find me.